You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is w equals -1/18. Let's solve it step by step. Swap sides. Isolate the w. Multiply both sides by 3w. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Group all w terms on the left side of the equation. Add 12w to both sides. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 1 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the w. Divide both sides by 18. Simplify the fraction. And so the final result is w equals -1/18.